In this video, we'll take a look at how your customers can pay with Snap Finance using 360 Payments CFP and Protractor. To start, click on the financing button in the toolbar, and if Snap is your first lender, you'll see that directly. If Snap is a secondary lender, they'll see Snap as an option if they're declined from the primary. If no financing is found, but your customer is adamant that they do have some, it might be that you need to switch the phone number, and you can use the drop-down to select different phone numbers. Once the Service Advisor clicks Apply, CFP will open in a new browser window. Snap requires the pre-qualification to be filled out by the customer, so click Text this page, add the customer's cell phone number, and click Send. You'll see notification that the text was sent, and your customer can continue by opening the link. They'll go through a quick verification, and then we'll proceed to click through a couple of pages of disclosures. On the pre-qualification form, they should confirm any pre-filled information and add any information that was missed. They'll add in their income information and click Submit. The pre-qualification decision will be made real-time. Once they see the congratulations message, the next stop is for the shop to do back in Protractor, and that will be to add items. Back in Protractor, click the financing button, and now you'll see that the application has been pre-qualified, and you can click here. Do so, and you can begin adding items by clicking Add Item and filling in the product information. If there are multiple items, you can click Add Item multiple times until they are all accounted for. Click Save Items and move on to the shipping section. This information can be your customer shipping address, or if nothing is being shipped, it can be the shop's address as well. You'll see confirmation that the items have been added and that a text has been sent to the customer for banking information. Once they open that link, they'll simply add their routing number and account number and submit. Like with the pre-qualification, the final application decision will be real-time, and once they see an approved message, Snap will send a follow-up text to initiate the signing process. Once your customer opens that link, they'll see a summary of their financing, including the amount, the financing charges, and the total payments. They'll click Continue. We'll set up their payment information, and on the next page, at the very bottom, they'll be able to click to sign the agreement. Once they see the Thank You for Signing screen, the final step will be to complete the transaction, which can be done by the Service Advisor back in Protractor. This final step can be done in one of two ways. They can go to the Financing button and click Process, or they can go through the post flow as if this were any other payment. In this video, we'll go ahead and finalize through the post flow. So click Post and resolve any dialog box necessary until you get to the payment screen. Once there, choose Consumer Financing from the drop-down, click Add, and click OK. Once complete, you'll see Confirmed by Snap as well as an authorization number, and you can click the link to see a receipt. Whether you finalize through the financing button or here on this screen, you'll see the payment post on this screen as well as in any printed documents. And that's how your customers can use Snap Financing and Protractor with 360 Payments CFP.